Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 7th. Hope you will be fine, beta. Today is 19th date and today is Wednesday, and your teacher has brought a new topic for you. But let me clear that as you know, teacher will not tell you in the starting the topic. We will do some practice of something, then inshallah you will be revealed what is the topic of today. As your teacher has written some words on the whiteboard, are you watching? Yes. These words are couch, town, slow, destroy, rain, beer, house, foil, bake, fount, brown, pear, boil, boy, and tail. Okay, now we have read these words. Now my question is here that will you find something common in these words? आपको कुछ ऐसा कॉमन थिंग नज़र आ रही है इन वर्ड्स में? चलें, आई एम गिविंग यू टाइम. थिंक एंड देन टेल मी what is the common thing between these all words. Okay, have you find it? Very good. And teacher has found these words a common thing that double wall has come in every word. Are you watching? The double wall pair has come in every word. In couch, OU, OW, OW, OY, AI, EA, OU, EA, OU, OW, AI, OI, OY, and AI. These are the pair of vowel words come together. And as you know that teacher has underlined W and Y also. Why? Because sometimes W and Y are considered in the vowel words. Vowel words basically are A, E, I, O, U, but sometimes W and Y are also included in vowel words. So in these words, double vowel has come in pair shape in every word. And what is the reason of this? Reason is this, that these words, when double vowel will come together in pairs, so words will be called diphthongs. Diphthongs. Why they called diphthong? Diphthong ही क्यों कहलाते हैं ये words? Yes, these words are called diphthongs. Why diphthongs? Because D means two and thongs means sound. And these words has double sounds. Okay, these words will have double sound because D means two and thongs means sound. And these words also called long vowel sound. Long vowel sounds का आपको पता है ना, जिनमें डबल वॉल आ जाए वो long vowel sounds हो जाते हैं. उन्हें खींच कर स्ट्रेच करके पढ़ा जाता है, ऐसे ही है. सो diphthong and long vowel sounds are the same, and these words have double sound. How? Because when you will say beer, B-R, 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 so this will give the two sounds. House, house, house. Foil, foil, foil. So these words give double sound, and these words are called diphthongs and also long word vowel sounds. Okay. Okay students, now we are on book page number 45, and they have given us these examples of diphthongs. As this is the activity and you will not find in anywhere in your book, so we are going to do this now. As they have given us the right side definition, a diphthong is a long vowel sound that is made by combination of two vowel sounds. The sound of one vowel glides to the sound of the other vowel. As I have told you that double sound will come in diphthong, they are telling us also the same thing. And here is only for reading some words, and I have told you about this. Inshallah, when you will see this video again and again, you will understand what are the diphthongs. Diphthongs, remember this thing, that they are also long vowel sounds, and these words will give us double vowel and double sound, because D means two and thongs means sound. Allah Hafiz.